Tired of trying, but not getting sales? Well, are you tracking your leads? If you are working online, then you must use this tool. Using this tool, you can shorten your link. Track your audience by using pixels tracking. Create splash pages to promote affiliate products. Create bundle of links. And create short link with your custom domain. Let's explore each features one by one. Copy the link that you want to short and track the visitors. Paste the link. In advanced targeting options, you can add custom alias with the link. Target audience with specific countries. Target with specific device. You can use different targeting pixels. And you can add custom parameters to the link. Now click on Shorten. Copy the link. And paste it in new tab. And you see that the shorten link worked successfully. How to create bundle of links. Using this tool, you can create bundles of multiple links. Click on Create Bundles. Type bundle name. And then click on Create Bundle. Make sure your profile must be public. Go on the dashboard. And add links in the bundle folder. Copy the link of the created bundle, and paste it into a new tab. The bundle has been successfully created. Let's create a splash page off this affiliate link. Click on Splash Pages, create a splash page. Type unique name, add product link. Upload avatar. Then add banner. And finally click on Create Splash Page. Now go on Dashboard. And paste product link. Click on Direct, and select splash page that you have created. Copy link and paste into a new tab. The splash page has successfully created. How to add a custom domain. Go on your GoDaddy account and open domain DNS that you want for branded links. Add CNAME record, host to link. And point to cutin.me. And save the record. Go on your Cutin Custom Domain tab, and add domain link. Now the domain is successfully added. Let's short the link. Select the custom domain. Copy the link that you want to short. Paste it. Click Advanced Options to add alias. Now click Shorten. Copy shorted link and paste into a new tab. And you see that the custom domain is successfully working. This is your chance to grow your business. So, what are you waiting for? Start today for free.